Hey everybody, Mark Reactor here with another reaction video. This is going to be a peek inside my world part 3, the Dietrich Park. It's a local park near where I live. It's really nice. In the summertime, they have a music/food festival here with hundreds of food vendors that sell all kinds of interesting foods and lots of good music, that local bands and things that come in. It's really neat. But it's kind of snow covered right now because it's winter. And right down there is the river. I can show you some shots of that as well. Hopefully there's some neat shots of the river I can share as well. But it's oh, there's an outhouse. You don't want to see that. But it's a really nice park, especially in the summertime. So just another peek inside my world. Hope you enjoy the video. I never really noticed this little area here before, so I'll try and walk in through here. I don't know if I can actually get through or not. It looks like a bunch of, I don't know if that's bamboo or what that is. It looks like, yeah, it's bamboo. Got a little bamboo forest in here. Check this out. This is kind of cool. Oops. Ooh, this is so mysterious. I feel like I'm in an episode of the Blair Witch Project. I'm so scared. What am I gonna do? Okay, that was my imitation of the Blair Witch Project. Thank you. And we got some geese coming up here, just leisurely floating down the river. There they are. Hello, gooses. Well, here I am back in my car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't the most exciting video in the world, but as the title says, just a little peek inside my world. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that kind of fun stuff. I'm going to try and put some pictures that I took in the comment section below. I took some still pictures too, so I'm going to try and put some of those in there. So feel free to check out the comment section to see if I was able to do that. And I'm also trying to come up with a catchphrase to end my videos with, and I can't think of anything. So I'm going to make a little contest. If you guys can think of a cool catchphrase that I can use to end my videos with, feel free to put your suggestions in the comment section below. And if I choose yours, you will get the distinct honor of getting a shout out during the next video I make after I choose my catchphrase. So won't you feel honored? Yeah, I know you will. Anyway, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day.